It's a beautiful morning here in Beijing. The air is crisp and the sun is shining. And I was told to come down to Xuanwu Park to have a look at what people are doing here. Seems like it's some kind of game, or maybe it's some form of exercise. It sure looks exciting, though. I wonder what it is. Later, I'm going to ask some people about what they're doing and why they're doing it. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How do you do?
Good
morning.
Good morning. 你好，早上好。
早上好 ，Good morning。
这个东西这是一个游戏吗？
这是一种游戏，还可以玩，它叫空竹。
空竹。
对。
I found out that what this is something in Chinese called 空竹. In English we call it diabolo.
为什么叫空竹呢？就是把竹子就是切下来一段，这个旁边都戳上口两边的这个装上木板，中间装上一个轴，抖起来，这个空气它就发出响声。
This is a slightly different style, and I'm told that these are all from the northern part of China. And you can see this one here has kind of got a double one, so you can play it from both sides. And some of them vary from this size all the way down to this little tiny one here. This looks like something maybe you'd put on the mirror of your car.
As to the earliest Kongju, its shape and size are quite different from Kongju nowadays. With the development of modern science, the material and technique for making Kongju has made great progress.
And you can see here, this is amazing. Look at this. This one's about 1 meter across, and it's got all the different Chinese zodiac animals in it. Here's one that's a little bit smaller, and when it spins around, these things are making noise. It sounds amazing. You can see the design of this one's got a yin and yang pattern on it. Look at that. It's got a beautiful Chinese symbol on it. I'm not sure what it means yet. I'm going to ask somebody.
This Kongju weighs 12 kilograms, with a diameter of 1 meter. It is a typical big Kongju. Only strong men can play such a big one. Since it is too heavy and too big, if we want to keep it moving, we need several people to play it by turns. Rods are necessary to play Kongju. Traditionally, it is made of bamboo. The length of a rod would be ½ meter. 2 rods would be connected by cotton threads. Nowadays, there are different types of Kongju with different sizes. Accordingly, we use different rods to go with them. The rods also vary in length.
Okay, so we're having a look at the sticks that they use for this. And you can see that I have 2 rather long ones here. They got a wooden handle. And this material here is a little bit modern. It's the same kind of material that they use for a fishing pole. It almost looks like I'm fishing here. Some of the materials that they use is also just wood. They also use bamboo, but I'm wondering why it was that some of these are longer than others. And somebody told me that it's because the long ones look good when you're doing it. You got a little more room to move around. The shorter one here, you can see has a broader rope, and this of course is to take a heavier diabolo.
As a folk game, Kongju is interesting to play, and it is good for people's health. Nowadays, some primary and middle schools find another advantage of playing Kongju. It can make people concentrate and work with their minds and hands. Therefore, it will help with the development of the brain and encourage the students to study, and also is fun. Many schools begin to introduce it into their PE class. Kong竹，空竹，游戏，游戏。